In this video, you'll learn how to buy cryptocurrency quickly using your card on Binance. The process is straightforward and allows you to make purchases efficiently while ensuring that your card is supported for transactions. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to log into your account. Once you are on the home page, locate the Buy Crypto section, which can typically be found in the main navigation menu. This section will guide you through the process of purchasing cryptocurrency using your card. After accessing the Buy Crypto section, select the card payment option. It is essential to ensure that your card is supported for transactions on Binance. Take a moment to review any applicable fees and limits associated with your card. This information is crucial as it prepares you for a fast and smooth purchase experience. Next, you will need to enter the details for your card purchase. Begin by selecting the cryptocurrency you wish to buy from the available options. Once you've made your selection, enter the amount you want to purchase. If you've already saved your card details on Binance, you can select your card from the list. Review the total amount payable, which includes any fees, and ensure that everything is correct before proceeding. Confirm the transaction securely to finalize your purchase. If prompted, complete any necessary verification steps to ensure the security of your transaction. This may include entering a code sent to your phone or email, depending on your security settings. Once you have confirmed your purchase, the transaction will be processed, and you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your purchase was successful. After completing your purchase, check your spot wallet to verify that the cryptocurrency has been credited to your account. You can access your wallet by navigating to the wallet section and selecting spot wallet from the drop-down menu. Review your order history to see the transaction details and ensure everything is recorded accurately. If you notice any delays in your balance reflecting the purchase, consider contacting Binance support for assistance. You can then use your newly acquired cryptocurrency immediately for trading or other purposes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.